This just in. I got this hot off the presses. Let me read it to you. TigerTail, they'd like to do a giveaway on my channel. And I said no. Psych. Of course I said yes. Why wouldn't I want to do a giveaway of probably my favorite accessory on my ATV? It only makes sense, right? So we got TigerTail sponsoring this giveaway. And you ready for this? You ready for what they're going to give away? They're going to be giving away a hat. No, I'm kidding. No, I'm kidding. They're giving away a TigerTail. They're giving away a TigerTail AT model. And that includes the mount also. So there's different options for the mounts. They have a few custom mounts for certain ATVs and side-by-sides. And they also have a universal hitch mount. So if they don't make a specific mount for your bike, then you can get you the universal hitch mount. You just have to make sure that you have a hitch receiver on your ATV / side-by-side, whatever it is you put it on. For those of you that don't know what a TigerTail is, where the heck have you been at, man? You need to go back and watch some of my videos and see it in action. Or you can watch this video. I got some clips of it going on with us pulling each other out. But that thing is the best thing since sliced bread. I mean, best toe strap, easiest toe strap you ever use. To oversimplify what a TigerTail is, it's essentially a retractable toe strap. But at the same time, it's much, much more than that. Because not only is it a retractable toe strap, so it stays on tension whenever you hook up to your buddy or your buddy hooks up to you. So the rope isn't dragging in the mud or it's not getting tangled up in your bike. But the other nice thing is that it's always mounted solidly to your frame. So you don't have to worry about hooking up to yourself. All you got to do is unhook it from the spool, take it over to your buddy, hook them up, and either pull them out or get pulled out by it. So it's very convenient. Like I said, it's probably the simplest way to recover your friends and get recovered out of the mud. Or any kind of situation you might get yourself into where you need to get pulled out. So I know a lot of y'all are like, yeah, we've already seen you use it a million times. We know it works. We know it's awesome. How do we win it? So to win it, it's pretty simple. All you got to do is make sure you're subscribed to the channel, of course. Like this video. And then I want you to leave a comment as to why you want to TigerTail! TigerTail! I just want you to let me know what you're going to do with your TigerTail and why you want it. Don't just give me a comment saying, give me the TigerTail. Some rules. You can look at all the official rules down in the description. This is open to residents of the US and Canada. You have to be at least 13 years or older to enter. The winner will be picked randomly. I'm going to put everyone's name in a hat and then draw a name out, and then that'll be the winner. The chances of winning are based on how many people enter. The giveaway is going to start Friday, February 2nd at 12:01 a.m. Central Standard Time, and it'll end on Sunday, February 18th at 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Once a winner has been picked, I'll reply to the winning comment, and we'll get in touch either through the PMs on YouTube or through Instagram or through Facebook, whichever is easiest for you. We'll contact you within 48 hours, and you have 48 hours to get back in contact with us. And if we don't hear back from you within 48 hours, a new winner will be picked. From there, we'll get you all squared away and get that TigerTail sent out to you. I want to thank Team Tech Engineering, the creators of the TigerTail, for putting on this giveaway on the channel, and for giving me the opportunity to get one of my subscribers hooked with the TigerTail. If you don't win one, make sure you go check them out at tigertail.us. You won't regret getting yourself a TigerTail, I promise you. Oh, and just between you and me, the word around the campfire is, depending on how this giveaway goes, we might be able to do another giveaway for a UT model TigerTail, which is the 12,000 pound breaking strength TigerTail with the 12-foot rope. So depending on how y'all act on this one, we might be able to do another one. So yeah, best of luck to everyone. I hope you win. And as always, TigerTail!